The National Spherical Torus Experiment Upgrade, or NSTX-U, is the largest spherical tokamak in the US and is designed to be the most powerful spherical tokamak in the world. A spherical tokamak is a fusion device shaped like a cored apple. This differs from conventional tokamaks, which are more donut-shaped. To achieve NSTX-U's compact design, the center stack needs to be as slim as possible. Like the core of an apple, the center stack sits at the heart of the machine. It comprises two magnets, the toroidal field magnet and the ohmic heating coil. The magnets fit within the center stack casing, which is covered in about 1,000 tiles and protects the magnet from the intense heat generated during fusion experiments. The TF coil is the inner magnet, used to stabilize the plasma and create the conditions necessary for fusion experiments. It connects to these red vertical magnets on the outside of the vessel. Wrapped around the TF and separated by just a fraction of an inch is the OH coil, which drives current into the plasma. They're designed to produce the highest magnetic field strength of any spherical tokamak.